Many homeowners don't realize this, but the most important factor into your new HVAC installation isn't the brand, but it is WHO installs your system. The right contractor can install a system that when installed properly can significantly reduce your bills. Energy Star has come up with their quality installation guidelines. These are based on the Air Conditioning Contractors of America's HVAC Quality Installation Specification. They created these best practices to help ensure that every system is installed properly. However, some contractors do what's best for them instead of what's best for you. It is important to make sure you are working with a quality contractor and a quality installation team. If that is a little too much to handle by yourself, we propose you hire an area plumbing business certified for HVAC and heating repair. You will find numerous heating specialists around you who can take care of this all quite skillfully. The most sage advice we can offer is to establish yearly maintenance for this appliance. Call now, 604-872-4946.